nič ni lahkega. Vse, kar je dobro, je težko.
Amazing to share the roads with Tadej. I think most of us we tried to follow a bit, but it's too fast. But it's just nice to see him fly by and try to catch him or try to keep up.
Publika sve, ne vjerovat, baš digne sve digne, eto. Samo da malo sunca još izviri. Ali da, vidjeti svjetskog prvaka ispred sebe, nevjerojatan osjećaj.
Sezone, vaše Marsike, prvak Tadejem Pogačarjem!
Yeah, it's been a great weekend, it's been a great season, and to finish it off like this with so many people here on my favorite climb, almost in my home place, hometown. I must say, incredible year. Thank you everybody, you're amazing.
Super vzdušje, ful velik gledalcev. Iskreno sem pričakovala jih ful manj, ampak se vidi, da Slovenci živimo za kolesarstvo in da imamo ful radi Tadeja, no, tako da ful lepo.
I saw the event and I thought what a great opportunity to do it, so yeah, fantastic. Great climb, amazing country, first time I've been to Slovenia and it's amazing, yeah, it's really, really impressive.
Signed by